How to use Zara size card. In order to find your perfect fit as Zara, you could use Find Your Size tool on a product page, which calculates the best fit based on your height, weight, and fit performance preference. Alternatively, you could check the measurement guide for a specific bust, a weight, a waist, and a hips as well. What you want to do is open the Zara app on your device. There, you can just go ahead and look for the product. You could also do this in a way, so go ahead and look for the particular product or a specific item like this, and you will be able to see the info, right? You could just go ahead and add in by tapping on add. You will be able to find the size, and you could simply go ahead and select the product once again, or just go to add, and there you have fit finder. You want to go ahead and select that out. Once you do this, you have to go ahead and select add size or edit or change the, you could just go ahead and select add size, and you could just go ahead and select this fit finder, which you will be able to see it here, try on. You could just go ahead and select that and make sure to select the add in, and you could just go ahead and start adding in. Or you could also go ahead and take a photo as well if you want to. This is also going to help you out. And this way you're supposed to find the size guide as well. Or you could also find it in the app. When you log into your Zara app on your device, you will be able to find this try on, or you could just go ahead and select try it on. This is where you are supposed to find or use Zara size guide. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.